Welcome to Database Replication Fundamentals. In this video series, we'll explore how modern databases keep data synchronized across multiple servers. Replication is essential for building reliable, scalable systems. By the end of this course, you'll understand the core patterns, trade-offs, and operational challenges that come with replicating data across machines. Replication is the process of copying data from one database server, called the master or primary, to one or more other servers, called replicas or secondaries. The primary server handles all write operations, while replicas receive copies of those changes. This allows you to distribute read traffic across multiple machines, improving performance and availability. If the primary fails, a replica can be promoted to take over. The most common replication pattern is master-slave architecture. The master server accepts all write operations and maintains the source of truth for your data. Slaves are read-only copies that receive updates from the master. Reads can be distributed across all slaves, scaling out your read capacity. Writes must still go to the master, but this separation allows you to handle many more concurrent readers. This architecture provides simplicity and is easy to understand and operate. There are two main approaches to send changes from master to slaves. Statement-based replication sends the actual SQL statements. For example, if you execute an update statement, that exact statement is replicated to all slaves. This is simple and compact. However, non-deterministic functions like random or current timestamp can produce different results on each slave. Log-based replication instead sends the physical changes from the server's write-ahead log. This ensures exact replication of data changes and handles non-deterministic operations correctly. Log-based replication is generally more reliable for production systems. Replication lag is the delay between when a write is committed on the master and when that change appears on a replica. This happens because replication is asynchronous. The master doesn't wait for slaves to acknowledge the change. If you read from a slave immediately after a write, you might see stale data. This is called eventual consistency. To handle this, your application might redirect recent writes to the master for a short time, or use stronger consistency modes that wait for replicas to acknowledge changes before returning. Understanding and managing replication lag is critical for correct applications. Write-ahead logs, or WAL, are the foundation of durable replication. Before a write is applied to the database, it's first written to a log file on disk. If the server crashes, it can replay the log to recover. For replication, the master sends its WAL to replicas, which apply the same changes in order. This ensures the replica database stays synchronized with the master. WAL gives you both durability and ordered replication. Each log entry has a position, and you can track which replica has applied which entries. This is how replication maintains consistency. When the master fails, you need to promote a replica to become the new master. The key challenge is choosing which replica to promote. You should only promote a replica that has applied all the WAL entries from the master, otherwise you lose data. To detect this, you monitor the replication lag and track the WAL position each replica has reached. You also need a way to automatically trigger promotion, either manually or using a monitoring service that detects master failure. After promotion, write traffic is redirected to the new master. This process is called failover, and it's crucial for high availability. Consistency tuning lets you balance between strict ordering and read latency using quorum settings and replication modes. Consider using read replicas for queries that can tolerate stale data. For failover decisions, promote only replicas that are up to date. Use health checks, WAL advancement tracking, and lag metrics to avoid losing data. Regular backups and tested recovery procedures are essential. Ensure you can perform point-in-time recovery using WAL logs. Operationally, monitor replication lag and slot positions constantly. Pin readers to up-to-date replicas during heavy load. Automate failover with explicit promotion policies. Master-slave replication is a foundation for read scaling and simple failover. Write-ahead logs provide durable, ordered replication across all replicas. Replication lag and failover readiness are critical operational concerns. Your design choices must balance consistency, latency, and availability. In future videos, we'll explore multi-master replication patterns, conflict resolution strategies in distributed writes, advanced failover automation and testing, and consistency models beyond strong and eventual, including causal consistency and read-your-writes guarantees.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.